What's up everyone, Ghostface here, and today we're gonna take a look at LG G7. So there's the phone, let's turn it on. And let's see what else do we have here. So there's charger. It's identical as LG G5's one. Here we have headphones, which seems to be different because they're black. And the phone is waterproof. We're gonna test it right now. So let's take a look at settings first. Stock version of Android is 8, but it will be upgradable to 9. Notch settings. As you can see, if you don't like it, you can just turn it off like this. But for me it's on all the time because, as you can see, when I enter messages, for example, it's still there. And you can change color like this. But then I guess it's still a notch. And you can even change edges. Now let's take a look at camera. So as you can see, some new options are, for example, manual video recording, which is very important. Super bright camera, for example, but that doesn't work if you record in 4K 60 FPS. We have HDR10, and as you can see, now it can record 4K in 60 FPS. This is main camera footage. And we have modes, for example, AR stickers are new, I guess you could say. Okay, and another new thing is Google Lens, which should recognize your object. So let's test if you can recognize my mask. Unbelievable. Well, at least pad, my gamepad. Check out this option.